The Job Sikala-led National Democratic Working Group, NDWG, has urged Zimbabwean citizens to protest against what it calls the betrayal by the Southern African Development Community SADC during the Regional Bloc 44th Summit set to be held in Harare on August 17, 2024. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe sana bena mashoko atona Job Sikala anachiopposa mutungamiri wenyika no subscribe like on down the bell icon. But I think makona ma videos emutungamiri wenyika atsana mashoko kuti vakomana mishwa mukono atibodzidi munyika mangu. Pane vanhu vari responsible kuhandla vanhu vachaita izvozvo paSADC summit. Job Sikala anoyachitaura otherwise anopinda tipinda panapa mune mupindula munogwa muchinzi. In a statement issued on Thursday, August 1, 2024, NDWG Director of Communication Kadet Shumba said Zimbabweans should register their protest, whichever way they convinced to be effective, provided such actions are peaceful and within the law. The NDWG accused SADC of ignoring its own report on Zimbabwe's 2023 general elections and it described the upcoming SADC as convinced of hypocrites who indicate left and turn right, defending tyranny instead of progressive, peaceful political transition underpinned by democratic elections. Mashoko anobuda nevakomana vekwa Job Sikala vachiti aiwa, let us register our protest, tipinde tinouza SADC kuti aiwa makanegileterei your own report yesiyo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro mashoko awa. Pinai comment section medu, musaona subscribe or like, paunje don't turn on the bell icon.